Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to claim your daily airdrop tokens using the hot wallet. Just like Bin Network, if you are new to this, don't worry, I will guide you step by step on how to claim, store and use hot tokens. Let's jump in. So the very first thing, what is hot wallet? A hot wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet that is connected to the internet. It's used to store, send and receive crypto easily and instantly. Hot wallet is both the name of the wallet and the native token you can earn through daily mining and claiming. In simple terms, hot wallet is an app that rewards users with hot tokens daily, and you need to open the app to claim your earnings regularly, just like you do with Bit Network, Pi Network or other Web3 mining platform. So how can you actually start this hot wallet? So for you to start this hot wallet, just go to the description of this video and click the link right there, and you take to a page like this. All you have to do is just to click on this create new wallet, and you just have to select any of these. So I'm selecting the first one, and I just have to click this seed phrase and copy the seed phrase. Very important. Write it down so that you will never forget it. So after copying the seed phrase, so after putting my seed phrase down, I just have to click on this create, and it's actually creating an account for me automatically. So the account has actually been created. So how can you start earning hot tokens from this hot wallet? So for you to earn hot tokens, just have to click on this hot here, this claim 0.01. Just have to click on it and click on continue, and click on start mining. And as you can see, it's taking me right down to the hot update, their hot Telegram channel. So I just have to back it and go back. So I've already followed hot, so I'll click on claim hot. It's already claiming, and you're already mining. Your current account is already mining hot. If you have lost access to it, you can block mining on the previous account and start mining here, or just switch to the main. Okay, cancel. It's telling me that I'm actually mining, so let me just go to my account so that I will show you how you can actually mine from there. So let me go to my other account. So this is my account. All you have to do is just to click this button right here, this storage button. You just have to click on this storage, and as you claim hot every single day, Not only that, you claim hot every single 2 hours. As a new member, you won't be showing 2 hours. As you can see, my own is showing 10 hours. I'm actually claiming every 12 hours right now because I upgraded it. But as a new member, you won't be showing every 2 hours for you to claim your hold. So after you come here every 2 hours for you to claim your hold, like I said before. So how can you boost your mining speed and also boost your hour? So for you to boost, just click on this middle button right here, this boost, and you, as you can see, they have 3 levels of boosting. You have the titanium storage, you have the neon fireplace, you also have the ZD wood. So you click on, so I just have to click on this ZD wood because I'm starting from bottom, and I just have to click on this open mission. In this mission, all you have to just to download the mobile app, which I've already done, and add 0.5 plus near to my account, which I've already completed as well, and also add about $5 upward, which I've also completed, and refer a friend which I haven't completed. So for you to actually complete all this, you just have to download the app. You just have to add 0, and the second add 0.5 plus near. I think a near right now is about $2 or $4, and this add 5 plus USDT. And I think all you have to do right now is just for you to buy some near, maybe from your Bybit, from your BitGet, from your Binance as well. So I'll just back it and show you how you can see your address, your near and USDT address that you are going to buy that you are going to transfer your near and your USDT to. So I'll back it, and I will click on this near right here. This is the near, so I will click on it, and if one near now is about $2.1. Just back it, I will click on deposit. Look at deposit icon that is here. I'll click on deposit, and it will pop up a place you need to show. The first one is show my wallet address. So I'll click on show my wallet address, and actually this is the near right here. There are many network right here, many network. So if it's near, so you just have to click on the near for you to see your near address. This is the near address. I just have to copy the near address and transfer the 0.5 plus near in my hot wallet. So I will copy it and just have to do that. So I've already completed that task. So when transferring your near, just transfer, like, let me say 1 near is about $2 right now. 2 near will be $4. 3 near will be $6. And let me see, just transfer about 3.5 near. Yes, because 3.5 near, and the 3.5 near, you just have to use 0.5 near to complete that task. And you just have to come here and you just have to swap your near, the rest near, to USDC. I don't know if you understand. You just have to swap the rest near to USDC for you to complete the other task. So the other option which is here, which is the titanium, and the other one, this neon one, this one is all you have to do just to increase your mining speed. Get so, and I'm making 0.0125 odds per hour, and I just need to use 5 odds to upgrade it to the 5th level, to the 5th level, which is about 0.015 near per hour. So that's just all for that one. And this titanium storage is just for you to increase your hourly speed. And this is the last one. I'm actually in the 5 level, the 5th level. So for me to go to the 6th level, I just need about 10 odds. That's all I need for me to go to the 6th level, which I will be claiming every 24 hours. And I think that's the highest level you can actually go to, so you can actually upgrade it to. So that's all for the boosting. So they also have a mission. They have mission, and that mission is not like it's not permanent. This is the mission tab here. They just drop this mission. They just drop the mission. So this mission is just way to download the extension, and I can't just go through this mission right now because it will make the video too long and boring. So I will make another video on how to copy this mission and drop it on my channel. So for you not to miss that, you just have to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to watch that video. So let me just back it, and I think that's all about this hot wallet, and I will drop more information about it very soon. Yes, I'll drop more information about it, and that's it. Super easy, right? If you are claiming hot daily, don't forget to claim regularly to keep mining. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notification so you never miss an airdrop update. Drop your questions below. I'll reply to everyone.